record. Hey, Mike.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, so we did some videos earlier today, and so why don't we look at how we are going to upload them to because these were not live streams, so we'll look at how we're going to upload them to our channel. So here's our channel, and we're not creating, we're going to upload and select files. And what we're going to do is look, yes, so many folders. ESL downloads, Zoom and chats. There we go. GPT Live Lab. Oh, hold on. What's going on here? Are they sorted in the wrong order? Oh yeah, that's what the problem is. I'm not gonna worry. Too much, too much. So we'll just look at this. So 724. Let's do the first one. The Facebook. And so we got the video. And I guess open. And this one is uh, I've live streaming to Facebook from Zoom. We failed, so this will put our description, and we failed to live stream to a Facebook page, but we're able to stream to the primary to the Facebook account. And let's see, what else do we want to do? Interesting. Reuse details from what, I guess. Thumbnail. So upload a file, auto generate. So let's auto generate a thumbnail. I guess there's nothing to use as a thumbnail yet. Maybe it's got a process. So playlist. Building the channel. Put this in building the channel. No, it's not made for kids. What other stuff could we do? So next is going to go to video elements. Import from video, add. Import from video. Oh, interesting. So it gives us these different choices. So this one gives us one video, one playlist. Yeah, so here, why not just do that one? So that's what it's going to look like. Video playlist, subscribe. Hover card outline, sure. I don't know what that even means. That's kind of cool. kind of cool. Now, please choose a playlist. Oh, I gotta choose a playlist. Oh, we'll choose that one. And video best for viewer, I guess. And then this, subscribe.
Why
End
did you
screen
put
won't,
it?
what?
Why did you put it in the learning OBS playlist instead of the
The
uh,
rants?
no, the other one? Building the
Oh,
channel.
building the, well, yeah, I mean,
This one has nothing to do with OBS.
and best for viewer. Most recent upload or best for viewer. Or choose a specific video. Allow YouTube to select a video to best suit the viewer. Okay. Yeah, we'll do it that way because we'll let the algorithm do its job, right? Okay. Now, there are things that I want. So, what are elements? Video playlist channel. No, okay. Um, it's 26 minutes long, and you can save. Checks visibility. Add cards. No, did an end screen. And so next is
It's been
visibility.
saved as private.
That's fine because I can change that. But here's so checks no copyright issue. Now here is where I can change it. So I am going to set it as private for right now. Instant premiere. That's interesting. Before you publish, check to do kids appear in this video. Blah blah blah. There are things that I want to change here, and so we can end the video here basically. But I'm going to set it for private for now because I this is the one where it has personal information on the screen. So I want to make sure that I fuzz that stuff out. I got to figure out how to do that. And that will be the subject for another video. But this save. So now this video visible only to me, but it's going to show up on the content page. So here's videos, that video private and it's not published yet, or it is published, but it's private. And so now here's the live streams that we've done. These I need to go and update, because like I haven't done anything with the descriptions on all of them yet. Podcasts. All right. Playlists. I guess these playlists have to be made into a podcast. Set as a podcast. There you go. Set as a podcast. All right, not going to do this right now. So that's what's going to show up here. Promotions. Who knows? Promote. Oh, okay. Yeah. So this is where you're going to pay. If I pay YouTube money, they're going to promote my channel and our channel. Posts. There's posts I made. Shorts. We haven't made any shorts yet. Inspiration. Inspire by your channel. My first video, what I love, a day in my life, simple edition. 5 things I'm excited for. Best topics I've ever seen. 3 ways to hobby better. Interesting. Try a theme. Fitness for beginners. Interesting. All right, so that's pretty cool. So
Hmm.
now we have another video, and we could probably here. Let me put this one to an end.